Module Overview. Introduction to Workplace Health and Safety. Workplace health, safety, and welfare encompass the policies, procedures, and practices organizations adopt to protect the physical and mental well-being of employees and other stakeholders while at work. This module delves deeply into the principles, legal frameworks, risk management techniques, and organizational responsibilities essential for creating a safe and healthy work environment. Importance of health, safety, and welfare. Protect employees from work-related injuries and illnesses. Comply with legal requirements and avoid penalties. Reduce absenteeism and increase productivity. Enhance organizational reputation and employee morale. Foster a culture of care and responsibility. Legal framework and regulations. Workplace health and safety laws vary by country but generally require employers to provide safe working conditions and equipment, conduct risk assessments and implement control measures, provide safety training and information, report accidents and dangerous occurrences, facilitate worker participation in safety matters. Key legislations may include OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Act, in the U.S., Health and Safety at Work Act in the U.K., and similar acts globally. Health and safety management systems. Policy development, formal commitment to health and safety. Planning, identifying hazards, assessing risks, and establishing objectives. Implementation, training, procedures, protective equipment, and emergency preparedness. Monitoring and review, auditing, incident investigation, and continuous improvement. Popular models include ISO 45001 and OHSAS 18001. Hazard identification and risk assessment. Systematic process to identify potential hazards. Physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic, psychosocial. Assess the likelihood and impact of risks. Prioritize actions based on risk levels. Implement controls. Period. Elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment, PPE. Common workplace hazards. Physical hazards, machinery, noise, slips, trips, falls. Chemical hazards, exposure to toxic substances, fumes, dust. Biological hazards, viruses, bacteria, mold. Ergonomic hazards, poor workstation design, repetitive strain injuries. Psychosocial hazards, stress, harassment, workplace violence. Employee welfare beyond safety, welfare. Involves promoting overall well-being through access to clean facilities, rest areas, and sanitation, providing health services and counseling. Work-life balance initiatives. Programs addressing mental health, stress management, and healthy lifestyles. Training and awareness. Continuous education on health and safety standards, emergency procedures, proper use of PPE, and reporting mechanisms is vital for fostering a safety-conscious culture. Emergency preparedness and response. Developing evacuation plans and drills. First aid facilities and trained personnel. Incident reporting and investigation procedures, business continuity planning, health and safety culture. Creating a culture where safety is valued and prioritized involves leadership commit, challenges and trends, adapting to new technologies and associated risks, managing safety in remote and flexible working arrangements, addressing mental health and workplace wellness holistically, globalization and varying regulatory environments, incorporating sustainability and environmental health into workplace safety. Summary. Module 7 offers an exhaustive overview of how organizations can protect and promote the health, safety, and welfare of their workforce. Mastery of these principles helps reduce workplace incidents, fosters a positive environment, and ensures legal and ethical compliance.